Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to quickly do a small teaser. This is a stock market for crypto and stocks, basically, for NPC jobs that are virtually in the city. This is mainly so that way somebody can feel like they're actually like a stockbroker, or they can do day trades or what have you. There's also going to be a marketplace built into this script. This is for QbCore. Fivem. I'm not really too diverse in making it all for ESX, so if you guys run an ESX server, you're probably going to have to wait if you're interested in this script. It is going to be coming soon. It is in the testing, but the base of this is you can buy stocks, you can sell, you can trade, and you can have your own portfolio. And you know what? We'll just go ahead and show you what this is. This is not a final project. This is just a teaser. But just to kind of give you an idea, there will be a guy. This is going to be your dashboard. Your portfolio right here will be filled out a little bit more. And then you can see like your top movers. You can scroll up and down and you can label left and right. Again, some of the UI is a little bit weird at the moment. I'm still tweaking. This is a brand new UI that I'm currently customizing and going through. It's been taking me quite some time. Um, this will show up your bank account, your cash, and then this here is going to be your cryptocurrency. That's going to be from your wallet. And if you go to your stocks, um, a lot of these buttons, a lot of the UI, like I said, this is still trial and beta, but this is where you can actually buy your stocks for companies. You can go to your details and you can actually look at better information about the stock, go for one day. This is in real time. This is not server time. So this does go by different dates. And from the last time it's been restarted was not too long ago, but this is in real time. And obviously you can see within a year or so how it goes, the value and market cap. These are subject to change for numbers. These are kind of just dummy numbers at the moment, and you can add it to your watch list, and then you get a notification up top here in the UI, and then eventually it's going to actually show up in your watch list, so that way you can see it, and you can manage alerts, and then you can add different symbols according to what you would like to have on your watch list, like favorite stars, so forth. There will be a marketplace to where it's kind of like eBay. You can click on your sell item, you can browse different items, you can go different conditions. So for example, if you have weapons that you're trying to sell and it was almost damaged and stuff like that, you'd want to be able to put that as a listing to say it's in fair condition or whatever condition, just like, eBay, Facebook Marketplace. You can search your categories. Right now, these are just kind of dummy categories. In the config later, when it's released, you will be able to add or remove more into the category, and then you got your minimum and maximum price. You can use a scroll wheel to go up and down and or obviously type. You'll be able to see your listings, and then when you're buying from other players, you can see your orders. If you notice that there's a category vehicles in here, in my particular server, it's going to be a lot more advanced as far as how you can sell vehicles because it will have vehicle mileage. If you have any type of upgrades on your vehicle from engine swaps, LS swaps, brakes, rotors, spoilers, drags, anything that's on your car will actually cause the vehicle to be cheaper or more expensive. Um, your portfolio is going to be a very important page. All of your holdings are going to be showing right down here. At the moment, like I said, this is just a kind of trial going on, just finishing up a lot of stuff. This is the crypto page. It is live. This is not real crypto from an external source. This is a self-contained script to where this is its own math intervals. Server owners and or admins or developers, those with permissions will have a code and an admin menu that will pop up to where you can actually add more currencies. You can change the prices, or you can do random events to say like, hey, this one crashed. If something's going too high for whatever reason, or even too low, you can raise it or you can lower it on demand. You can also go ahead and buy it. Um, and you can buy within small quantities, just like in real life, and then your total will actually kind of add up here. Um, and then you can kind of see a little bit statistics. This is going to be fixed. This is a bit squished at the moment, but other than that, I mean, the stocks really what they're supposed to look like is when you go to details. This is the stock page. It's how the crypto is also going to look like a little bit too. Same thing for here when you can buy and sell. So if you hit buy, um, I believe this button here, yeah, this button here is buy shares. So I went ahead and bought a share. You can see that the total here, there's fees. This is all configurable. If you scroll up and down, you can, you know, buy more shares a little bit, and it does do like a little tax. And then you can buy shares. And then I bought 43 shares. At the moment, it's not tied to any banking script or anything, so I have technically infinite money. And then the chart here will actually end up showing there. I don't believe I have any histories at the moment, but you can see the chart after you go to watch. You can click watch on all of these here, and then if you go to details, eventually that'll stick up to where that chart will always be there, so you can watch the chart from afar if you'd like to, and then you'll be able to categorize things in a different way. But if you guys are interested, one last thing actually, the market, there is a configurable time to where the market's open. This is, you can either do real time or you can do in-game time, or you can do by weather. So in-game time will go by minutes. I know CD Easy Time, they have different weather times to where it's not just 24-minute intervals from night to day. You got 24 minutes, you got 48 minutes, and you got 72 minutes. So that's basically the new detection in here that I added, is to where it'll detect if it's nighttime or daytime, and that will alter when the actual time frame is, and that's all configurable. But yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in the comments. Let me know if you have any more ideas, any critiques, and I will do say that this is actually working. Didn't realize I got that up there, but I can see I'm losing 2.84% in my portfolio. And this information here will show your stocks. And here, obviously, I got my recent activities. History page, interesting. But yeah, I will definitely get this 100% finished soon. My release date's probably going to be in the next couple weeks or so. But let me know if you guys are interested. Have a good one.